Hey everyone, welcome back to Calwayne Health TV. Today we're diving deep into the world of spirulina, a superfood that's been exploding in popularity lately. For this entire week, I'm on a mission to incorporate spirulina into my diet and see if it lives up to the hype. We're going to break down the nutritional profile of spirulina, look at its potential benefits, and address some common concerns. So, are you ready to join me on this spirulina journey? Let's unlock the power of this superfood together. Alright, let's kick things off with the big one. The nutritional powerhouse that is spirulina. This vibrant green algae has been making waves in the health community, and for good reason. This stuff is jam-packed with essential nutrients that our bodies crave. From vitamins to minerals, spirulina has it all. Just 1 tablespoon of this green goodness packs 4 grams of protein. That's right, 4 grams in just a tiny spoonful. Spirulina is a complete protein source containing all 9 essential amino acids. This makes it an excellent addition to any diet, especially for those looking to boost their protein intake without consuming animal products. It's a big deal, especially for those of you following a plant-based diet. You get all the essential amino acids your body needs to function optimally. Spirulina is also an excellent source of iron, crucial for energy production and transporting oxygen throughout the body. Iron deficiency is common, but incorporating spirulina can help keep those levels in check. And let's not forget about the vitamins, B vitamins, which play a vital role in energy metabolism, brain function, and cell health. These vitamins are essential for converting food into energy and maintaining healthy brain function. Spirulina is also a fantastic source of antioxidants, those powerful compounds that help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants are crucial for maintaining overall health and preventing chronic diseases. Think of antioxidants like little warriors fighting off those nasty free radicals, keeping our cells healthy and strong. They help reduce inflammation and boost our immune system. Spirulina? It's like sending in an entire army of antioxidants to protect your body from the inside out. Whether you mix it into a smoothie or take it as a supplement, you're giving your body a powerful defense mechanism. The nutritional profile of spirulina speaks for itself. It's a dense source of nutrients that can support various aspects of health. This isn't just marketing hype. We're talking about real, tangible benefits backed by scientific research. Studies have shown that spirulina can improve cholesterol levels, enhance endurance, and even support mental health. One of the things I love most about spirulina is how incredibly versatile it is. This superfood can be seamlessly integrated into a variety of dishes, making it a staple in any kitchen. You can easily incorporate it into your diet without overhauling your entire meal plan. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, spirulina is user-friendly. Adding a teaspoon or 2 of spirulina powder to your morning smoothie is a quick and easy way to boost its nutritional value. It blends effortlessly, enhancing both the color and the health benefits of your drink. Spirulina can also be sprinkled on salads, adding a pop of color and a nutritional punch to your greens. It's a simple addition that can transform an ordinary salad into a superfood powerhouse. Imagine a vibrant salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, crunchy cucumbers, and a sprinkle of spirulina. The visual appeal is matched by the health benefits, making your meal both beautiful and nutritious. Spirulina is naturally vegan, gluten-free, and paleo-friendly, making it a fantastic option for people with various dietary needs. It fits seamlessly into a wide range of dietary lifestyles. Whether you're following a plant-based diet, avoiding gluten, or simply looking to add more nutrient-dense foods to your meals, spirulina fits the bill. Its versatility ensures that you can enjoy its benefits regardless of your dietary restrictions. And let's not forget about spirulina supplements. These are perfect for those who may not have the time to prepare meals, but still want to reap the benefits of this superfood. If you're always on the go, spirulina supplements are a great option. They are convenient, easy to carry, and ensure you never miss out on your daily dose of nutrients. Embrace the versatility of spirulina and make healthy eating a delicious and enjoyable part of your life. With so many ways to incorporate it into your diet, spirulina makes it easy to stay healthy and satisfied. Now, more than ever, it's crucial to be mindful of the environmental impact of our food choices. And that's where spirulina really shines. This superfood is not only good for you, but it's also good for the planet. Unlike many other protein sources that require vast amounts of land, water, and resources, spirulina is incredibly sustainable to produce. It requires significantly less water than livestock or crops like soybeans. Spirulina can produce 20 times more protein per acre than soybeans. Spirulina also absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere as it grows, helping to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. By choosing spirulina, you're making a healthy choice for yourself and supporting a more sustainable food system. Consider incorporating more sustainable options like spirulina into your diet. Feeling sluggish and tired all the time? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with low energy levels, often relying on caffeine and sugary snacks for a quick pick-me-up. But what if I told you there's a natural, nutrient-rich way to boost your energy levels without the jitters or crashes? Enter spirulina. Spirulina is a great source of iron, which plays a crucial role in transporting oxygen throughout the body, essential for energy production. By providing your body with a readily available source of iron, spirulina can help combat iron deficiency and support healthy oxygen transport. Spirulina is also a good source of B vitamins, particularly vitamin B12, which plays a vital role in energy metabolism. Instead of reaching for that sugary energy drink or relying on endless cups of coffee, consider adding spirulina to your daily routine. It's a natural, sustainable, and nutrient-rich way to boost your energy levels and power through your day. Let's talk about gut health, folks. A healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being. Our gut plays a vital role in digestion, immunity, and even our mood. Spirulina can be a powerful ally in supporting a healthy gut microbiome. Spirulina is a good source of fiber, essential for keeping things moving smoothly in our digestive system. It acts like a broom, sweeping out waste and toxins, promoting regularity, and preventing constipation. Spirulina also contains probiotics, beneficial bacteria that live in our gut and play a crucial role in digestion and immune function. When your gut microbiome is out of whack, it can lead to problems like bloating, gas, constipation, diarrhea, and weakened immunity. By incorporating spirulina into your diet, you can help nourish your gut with both fiber and probiotics, promoting a healthy balance of bacteria. Imagine enjoying your favorite foods without worrying about digestive discomfort. Now, I know what you're thinking. Does spirulina actually make a difference in real life? Can it really transform someone's health and well-being? Let's share a real-life story that might just change your perspective. Meet Sarah, a busy mom of two who was struggling with chronic fatigue and digestive issues. Her days were filled with endless tasks, and she barely had the energy to get through them. She was constantly feeling tired, sluggish, and bloated. Every day felt like a battle against her own body. She tried everything, cutting out caffeine, getting more sleep, even over-the-counter remedies, but nothing seemed to work. Then she discovered spirulina, a superfood she had heard about but never tried. Intrigued by its impressive nutritional profile and potential health benefits, Sarah decided to give it a try. She read countless articles and testimonials, hoping this would be the solution she was looking for. She started by adding a teaspoon of spirulina powder to her morning smoothies. It was a small change, but she was hopeful. After a few weeks of consistently incorporating spirulina into her diet, Sarah's energy levels started to soar. She woke up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. She no longer felt that afternoon slump, and her digestive issues began to improve. Her body felt lighter, and she had a newfound sense of vitality. Inspired by her newfound energy and improved digestion, Sarah started adding spirulina to her salads, soups, and snacks. It became a staple in her kitchen. Her chronic fatigue became a distant memory, and she finally felt like she had the energy to keep up with her two young children. She was more present and active in their lives. Sarah's story is a powerful reminder that real people are experiencing real results with spirulina. It's not just a trend, it's a life-changing addition to their daily routine. Okay, so we've talked about the incredible nutritional value of spirulina, its sustainability, its energy-boosting properties, its gut health benefits, and even real-life success stories. Now let's get down to the practical stuff. How to actually incorporate this superfood into your daily routine. Adding spirulina to your diet is incredibly easy. If you're a smoothie enthusiast, simply add a teaspoon or two of spirulina powder to your favorite blend. Prefer a refreshing salad? Sprinkle a teaspoon of spirulina powder over your greens for an extra boost of nutrients. Looking for a quick and healthy snack? Mix a teaspoon of spirulina powder into yogurt, oatmeal, or chia pudding. And if you're always on the go, spirulina capsules are a convenient and portable option. Embrace the simplicity of adding spirulina to your daily routine. So, there you have it. 7 reasons why spirulina is the ultimate superfood. It's nutrient-dense, versatile, sustainable, an energy booster, supports digestive health, has real-life impact, and is incredibly easy to use. Are you ready to give spirulina a try? I'd love to hear your experiences with spirulina. Have you tried it before? What benefits have you noticed? Let's chat in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Calwin Health TV for more health tips and superfood secrets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.